Oh, yes, yes, yes. But also, because people are gonna die. Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. I'm Xavier. Today we're gonna be watching Andor. It's season 2, episode 7. So this is the penultimate batch of episodes. I did obviously because all episodes come up at once, I can't just avoid it. And I see we're gonna get things going down on Ghorman this batch, and I can't wait. And yeah, so we already know what's happened. We ended Gorse being killed by Biggs and Cassian. Mon Mothma just dealing with troubles about getting legislation on Ghorman. Luthen and Clea managing to not be discovered, and Cyril getting deeper with the people on Ghorman, and Cinta got killed and Val is upset. Yeah, so that's basically on Bix was using. We don't know if she is better now. Not fully better, obviously, because but and Will was with Saw. So yeah, this episode 7 is titled Messenger. Yavin is growing. Willman comes for help. Deidre's on Ghorman. Cassian heeds the call. Let's get into it. 1 year later. BBY 2. Okay, so we are using Yavin now. Got it. Okay, that's Will that we saw coming off the ship.
Take your shirt off. Don't tell me it's better.
Looks like he got injured in some fighter or something on a mission. Oh. Nasty.
What are you gonna do?
Anything I want.
Oh, hey guys, you have company.
Hey!
Oh.
Look at this.
I can come back.
Don't you dare.
Back from where?
Here and there.
This is here. I'm asking you where you were.
Just got in.
Yeah, chill, man. Easy.
He's been trying to reach you.
Ready for what?
He just wants to know if he can count on you.
Is this related to Ghorman?
Take it easy.
Whose fault is that? You trust this place? All these people? New faces every day?
We need an army. Everything's a risk.
All we do here is get ready, Thin. Is making things happen.
Easy. Get alone doesn't cut it anymore.
Well, maybe you should tell him yourself.
Maybe you should tell us where you've been.
I don't think he wants to.
Terrorism strikes again in Ghorman just 3 weeks after events in Korea and Jelnovi.
The number of Imperial casualties is still unknown.
Okay, things are heating up.
David, we've already seen an escalated response level. Curfew.
Things are working out for the Empire.
Local leaders are urging calm, and so far there's been no statement or claim of credit from any local terrorist groups. You can feel this city, which was already on.
Cyril looks like he's feeling the weight of things on him.
Ghorman. For Luthen. All these side runs. That's what you've been doing.
It's being destroyed.
He must be thrilled.
Oh. ISB Supervisor Dejamira
What about her?
destroyed Ferrix. She killed my father.
She's on Ghorman?
You know her.
Alright, there.
There in Ghorman. In the open, I've seen her. She's there now, and she's there waiting to be killed. And I know you're gonna say it's for revenge, but it's not. She keeps winning. You know she has to be stopped.
I'm late for my briefing. You need to calm down and check in.
Luthen's the enemy.
That would be easier.
Yeah, I'm sure it would. Cassian's got a lot of mixed up feelings there. I understand. He wants to
have a better chance.
get Deidre, but he's just like doesn't want the responsibility or something, I guess.
We are moving forward with the original plan.
There is apparently no suitable replacement or synthetic alternative for the Ghorman substrate material.
Ah, so they're gonna start mining.
See.
It's not for lack of effort. Krennic's had the lab in Edu working overtime all year. I don't know the science, but it's bad luck, Ghorman.
We need what's in the ground, and when we're done, there won't be much left to call home.
Where is she? She's unavailable at the moment. I asked you, where?
Captain Kaido is arriving today.
He's here. He's outside my office. Who is he?
He is a crisis specialist.
Calmly.
Let the image of professional ascendance settle your nerves.
Promotion.
You're aware, sir, that the insurgents have weapons at this point.
Yep. You gave
We're
them.
counting on it.
Uh-huh. Of course, we know that playbook. Happened in the real world.
Now there's evidence I have to beg for?
We are trying to prevent an incident.
Like keeping me in the dark.
Calm down, Cyril.
To go home and pack and be ready to leave when I tell you. Good things are waiting for us.
Things are
Out of here soon.
about to get messy.
For what? What have we accomplished?
Oh. That was
Be careful.
Me?
Do what I told you.
okay. That was awkward, kind of weird, but she's right. Things are about to get messy. He needs to leave. Obviously he won't, because I saw him in episode 8, the thing there, whatever that is, so I know he stays there. Wait, she hasn't told him to leave yet. Oops.
I'm requesting a new driver.
Don't. They might send someone smart.
A number of blasts, perhaps as many as 3, rising over the Imperial Naval Terminal where point in the terror campaign that's been escalating for the past year.
Any news?
Only bad news for the Ghormans. I'm afraid we're near the point of no return. I've done a poor job letting you know how much I admire your grace and energy. Protect yourself.
Oh yeah, she definitely needs to. Well, she's got protection, but, you know, she's a good target. Oh, it's the guy from the hotel. I figured they'd come back. I figured.
Gonvul, smatsim nash.
Infighting, yeah.
Nash lurg. Pse bife madal, nash trompint, nash bidumgor. Nash bidumgor. Dilan molen walai.
Then what have we got?
Ukum kozma la bif madal.
Message?
You're lucky Marva's not here.
I'm not the one she'd be straining out.
She hated Force
She
healers.
hated one Force healer 10 years ago.
One was enough.
Run around pretending like nothing's wrong and everyone knows it's not true. What's the risk?
Good point.
What is this?
There is no risk, basically.
I was about to ask how I know you, but I'm realizing now that's not it at all.
I'm late already. See you back there.
He's got a blaster burn that's not healing.
Your right shoulder.
I think it's gonna work.
Thank you.
For what?
The clarity. That feeling. It's been a very long time. I thought it had gone for good. That you've been gathering. The strength of spirit. Surely you must feel it.
I'll work on that.
Most beings carry the things that shape them. They carry the past.
He carries the future.
Very few. They're gathering as they go. There's a purpose to it. He's a messenger. Maybe you're the place he needs to be.
Force people and they're weird all over the place. Speak clearly, man. But they do not.
My people are convinced you're being coordinated by outside agitators. If I had something to offer, if we could lay this off on outsiders, then...
Damn. He's gotten too close to them. I think that's the problem.
It's better, isn't it?
I think so.
Be confusing.
Uh-huh.
She called you a messenger. I've had dreams like that.
Why are you doing this?
What if it's important? I know you felt something, that's why you're so upset. Let it in. It could only be good, there's no other reason.
I think she's too easily discounted. It could be bad too, you know. But the circumstances suggest it is good, but you know, hey, don't discount the bad. Oh wait, that guy from the side, I could see he was in Rogue One. Oh yeah, he's from Sex Education too. The principal.
Those who enjoy the security of Yavin must proclaim their loyalties.
You know where I stand. The day I need permission to come and go, I'm gone.
That day is near.
Get these men shaped up and ready for presentation.
There's not a man amongst them, sir, but I'll do what I can.
Am I going to have a problem with you?
Duly noted, sir. Problem-free.
Yeah. They're bringing in more units for the escalation.
What?
Look where you're going!
You said come in low, right?
Haven't seen you in a while.
I know. Everyone's so busy.
Oh, that's Vel.
I needed a break.
It's good to hear you say that.
I was getting reckless.
Well, since Cinta's passed, she's getting reckless. That tracks. That makes sense.
They need him, Biggs. They're on the verge of promoting him, and then he goes and does something like this morning. We're not a bunch of maniacs running around Aldani. We're building a real army. Cassian is a leader now.
He'll be there when you need him.
That's what you need.
Comes first thing. Ferries. Stone and sky.
So they're gonna try to loop Miro. Let's see how that goes. Not well, I think.
I'll have to go over there tomorrow and sort it out.
Yeah.
We're required to notify them.
Of course, yeah.
She will report it. We turn over our guest list each afternoon.
Good to know.
And you'll have to carry your own bag this time. Another way.
Recognizes him. But this guy just got women going after him like crazy. First on Mineral and now here on Ghorman. Alright, cool.
Clear skies tonight.
We'll be updating the forecast at first light.
I'll make sure to listen.
We're always here.
Oh, okay, so he's trying to see. Oh, yeah. Stormtroopers on top of the hotel. Smart, smart. Busy wondering if he can, if it's possible to do it. Obviously he can, but he's just wondering if it makes sense to do it. Oh, that's where we ended. Alright, cool. Alright, so that was Messenger, and it was basically like a setup episode. Kind of very shortest so far. And what we had here is that we can see some progress with the rebels out. They're more organized now. Obviously, there's still like some offshoots and everything like Luthen, but they're like more organized. They have like an army and everything. They're building up to something to what like what we see in like A New Hope on. So this is where in BBY2 here we see that they're making progress towards that, to making something organized and legitimate and everything. And further to that, we see things are escalating on Ghorman. There's more attacks, there's more resistance, there's additional groups now doing attacks. Mira's been told that this guy Captain Kaido is coming to do things, and so there's no longer a plan. The plan is no longer any other alternatives to like use like a substitutes or anything like that. They're gonna start mining, and they need to declare full control of the planet. And so I think there's like something. So they're gonna use these escalations, like there's a curfew now in effect, there's all sorts of restrictions and everything. Something's gonna happen, so they're gonna be using that as the excuse to like, boom, full lockdown, start the mining, nobody can say anything to us. And so that's been their goal, and now it's about to happen. Yeah, so all sorts of things. And yeah, so that's basically where we were. And Cassian, so there's Cassian at the moment with a healer, and like he's scared, and they're trying to promote him and everything to leadership and this position, and so his actions are in contravention to that. And so Veli, who is now no longer with Luthen, because she was doing too much in the absence of like Cinta, but now she's like, I'm chill and just work within the structure. And now she's trying to get Cassian to work within the structure fully. He was within the structure, and now Will from Will and from the healer, he's like, Mira's there, I gotta try. And Cyril is scared and all of that. So things are ramping up. Cyril's gotten too close to people. We'll see how that affects things. And yeah, so we'll see how episode 8 plays out. Episode 8 is titled Who Are You? Says Imperial Manipulation, Ghorman Frustration, Cassian and Cyril center stage as Palmo erupts. So Cassian and Cyril are gonna be face to face, I assume. Oh boy. Oh, and crackdown on the Senate and everything. Mothma is, yeah, she's just like, just feeling it. Yeah, so episode 8 next. Let's go.
Keep it moving, keep it moving.
Oh, they're taking away the barriers? Intriguing. Or are they just moving them to somewhere else? I don't know.
Am weg, Simon, rask!
Il aime bien schmuck.
Hear that?
I'm looking at it. They're not opening anything. They're putting a shell around the building. They're building a fortress.
Kaido is letting his plans commence.
The mining equipment, already on site. Is that a story Director Krennic wants to be telling?
We're done with local rumors. The only story that matters is Ghorman aggression. We need what's in the ground. The Empire has been patient long enough.
How long the Empire's patience can be tested, and here we are this morning with rumours of a general strike and mass demonstrations.
Imperial authorities.
Yeah, it's not gonna last long. Things are about to happen soon, very soon.
There were mass curfew violations last night and rumours of a general strike this morning.
Comms are down, we're making rounds. Imperial employees are to report immediately to the IOC building.
Oh, taking back the plaza. Oh boy. Yep. Very soon. Yes, it is. The old man's right.
Nashbi soreft, vla nashbi gastam.
We are the Gorn! The galaxy is watching! We are the Gorn!
Yeah, Cassian's preparing because he knows things are about to go down very soon.
You dare walk our streets. You dare walk among us. All this time, you... How could we be so foolish? How do you say that? How do you speak the words? You've destroyed us.
I was here to trap outside agitators.
Look at you. Even now. People know what you're doing. We've had reports all night. There's mining equipment being dropped all over the planet. Rigs and droids.
It's a rumor. Nope, it's the truth.
Mad.
It's the truth.
I believe that. That it's worth saying.
It's not.
What kind of a being are you? What's in our ground? What is it you've been sent to steal from us?
Oh, yes. Oh, but also, because people are gonna die.
I'm the trigger supervisor. You're the finger. Make sure you're available.
Oh, okay. He's laying everything under her. Yep. You're the one who's gonna pull the trigger. You're the one who's gonna make things happen. When the people die, it's on you, Miro.
I'm not sure I'll be back.
Not to worry. You were never here. Didn't lock you in.
I hope things work out for you.
Rebellions are built on hope.
And there's a new hope coming soon.
Honey, you've got a big storm coming.
Is he gonna meet, is he gonna see Cyril? So close. Ah!
Where are you? Will. You hear me?
Don't take the shot, Cassian. Don't take the shot. Oh.
Hey, over here! He knows, even though Imperial officials tried to rumors through the night and have organized this highly volatile insurrection you see behind me now.
Oh yeah, these are the droids to protect you when things start getting antsy outside. Is that gonna be K2SO?
all the exits.
Yes, sir.
Channel 5 is open. Standing by, sir.
Yep, trapping you in.
We'll be alright. Stay with Capsule. I have to go find my friend.
She's gonna die. You know where Cassian's gonna be. He's gonna be on the outer edges. You know that's where you need to search.
Patrol, sir. Within the crowd.
Was that not my order?
They're green, sir. They're useless.
I see Imperial uniforms, Sergeant. I see about
Oh.
memorial that I need kept open.
Oh.
Them out there immediately and secure the area, or you can all finish your days in an Imperial bridge.
Oh yes. Oh yes. I see what's happening there.
Stand to!
He knows they're green. Something's gonna happen. It's gonna set off the crowd. Oh man. Because these guys are so green that they're someone's gonna panic and things are gonna just kick off. Oh yeah, haha. Weapons. Well, this guy's been itching, so he's been ready. No. Yeah.
Get out. Close it.
She's done what she was ordered to do.
What are we doing here?
Following orders.
Exactly.
How long have you known about all this?
From the start.
How long?
We can discuss this later.
You're gonna tell me what this has really been about?
You're hurting me.
And you are going to tell me what the mining ships are doing here.
They're not.
There is an armada up there. You tell me it's a rumor, and I will throw you out that window.
There's a stone. Something in the dirt here. They need it. It's the energy program. It's directly from the Emperor.
Yeah.
They can't do without. They need the planet.
God, Cyril's gone off the deep end there.
We're going home, Cyril. We're going home as heroes. This began long before we got here. We've been planning it for years. They're doing this, no matter what. We wanted to be together. You didn't seem to mind the promotions.
He did not.
Good luck, Tetra.
Oh, he's gone. This was like a step too far for him. Is he gonna go out there with them?
Move out!
And so ends Deidre and Cyril. He just couldn't stomach it. Couldn't do what they needed him to do.
Find Cyril. Bring him back. Do not let him leave the building.
Party pass is on the line.
Wilmot, tell me where you are.
West side. The columns by the calf house. Find me.
I can't hear you. Find me.
It's starting. She's gonna give the order with Cyril there. She has to.
Supervisor Miro.
Well, she doesn't have to, but she will.
Proceed.
Put him on. 1 transmit 5, 1 calling 5.
5 online, standing by.
Fire at will. Repeat. Fire at will.
What the? Oh! They're in. It's even deeper than I thought. Wow. And the first shot. Is he gonna kill one of the troopers? They're gonna kill one of their own troopers? Oh, yeah. Oh my word. Get out of there, Will. Cyril is an idiot to get out there. I would not. I could disagree with this all I want. I'm not going out in that crowd when I know things are about to heat up. Oh, Will, why did you go in there? No, Will is gonna die. I can't believe it. Oh. It's like he wanted. You see the smile on his face? Oh man.
He's out there.
Supervisor, stop.
Oh. Cassian's gonna see the shot. He's gonna take the shot. Oh. Missed it.
Put them out there.
Oh, well, the sergeant is dead. The droids. Oh, man. Oh. One of those droids is definitely K2SO. Oh. Better run. You're not running fast enough. You're not running fast enough. Ooh. She was not running fast enough. He's gonna die right there, cause he's gonna get caught in the crossfire. Struggling in the weight of all that he's done, being a part of. Just before he dies. He's gonna see, oh, I thought you were gonna see Enza. You see Cassian. Couldn't get the shot off. Ugh. And in the face. Yeah. Ooh. Cyril used to be a cop, so it's believable that he's decent at hand-to-hand with Cassian. But couldn't get the gun. Damn. You're gonna get shot. Goodbye, Cyril.
Who are you?
Good question. Oh! Get out of there, old man. Get going. Wait, is that scene that we see with her scratching at her throat, is that because she finds Cyril's body?
She was with us. We never had the chance. Where is she?
She's dead, bro.
Radio. She might have been with them. I have to find my brother. I've got to find her. Wilmot, stop. We have to leave. It's not far.
You have to go.
Please fire. We need a ride to the ship. Look at me.
You gotta go, Will. Get going, Will, get going.
Run! Don't stop! Get up, get up! Get up! Gotcha!
Get going, Will! Will, don't! Oh!
No, we're leaving! I told you I can't. You go. I'll be alright, you'll see.
You'll not be alright.
Well, please. I can't leave her behind.
She's dead, man.
Tell people what happened here, Cass. Ferrix. Stolen Sky. Wait!
Yes. K2SO.
We are under siege. We're being slaughtered. The Imperial murder has begun. There are
He's not gonna make it.
This moment, as I say these words, hundreds of murdered Ghorman lay dead in Famo Plaza. Thousands more on the streets, more every minute. We're being destroyed. This is Ghorman reaching for any open channel that can hear me. If you can hear me, believe in truth. If you have any faith left in truth, please mark this message and pass it forward. This is murder! The Empire built this fire. They made this fire and led us to the slaughter.
Yes.
Now they expect us to die without knowing why. The conspiracy we feared is real. It's here today. Real ships are already landing across the
Help us! Is there no one who can help us?
Found you.
Oh man, Diego Luna is so good, man. Yeah. Just to reckon with everything, man. Ugh. Oh, sir. I have to take a break after I watch this. No, I'm just gonna keep powering through, man. I'm just gonna keep powering through. Power through!
as Imperial security forces are still assessing casualties, even as our fallen heroes are beginning their final journeys home without the aid and support of outside rebel assistance. In the days
Yeah, your son is dead, man.
martyrs of Ghorman are more
Your son is dead.
about what happened here today and the price we'll pay for our own safety.
This. Okay, so this won't be long. Yeah, I just decided to record this. Well, I just felt a moment of calm because, man, you can see I was literally crying like that. This is so good. This is good TV. This is good TV, man. This is what good quality, this is what good quality art should do to you, man. This is, and Serial, it was just, and Miro, you just feel for these people. She was in over her head emotionally for what this would do to her. And so was Cyril. That guy lost his daughter, Rylance. And a whole bunch of other characters that we were introduced to are dead. I don't remember Cyril's mother's name, I can't remember right now. It's not important right now. But yeah, I'm not even gonna do an analysis on that, man. So I've signed in this title, Welcome to the Rebellion. In the Ghorman aftermath, Mon Mothma takes a stand. Cassian must carry out a difficult extraction. This is where we're gonna see Mon make a speech. Either looks like it's in the Senate or somewhere else. Like we saw, she makes a speech declaring herself against the Emperor, against the Empire. Yeah. Episode 9. What a beautiful opening shot, man. Oh, yeah, if you see tears in the eyes because I just watched episode 8.
Arrested! In the Senate! No warrant! No charges! This is the Senate chamber. I have every right to be here. It's my people today and yours tomorrow. Remember this day. Remember Ghorman. This will be you soon enough.
We need to speak out. We need to stand up and speak the truth. And then we need to leave. Both of us. We need an exit plan and we need to make it now while we still have the time.
We have a plan. That's not the issue.
What stays you?
I have to stay. We have to buy time. We're not ready. Yavin isn't ready. We need to stall.
You'd be a hostage.
He's willing.
On the speech, and be very careful. Senator Tone found a listening device in her office. And tell no one. Be ready to leave the moment you're done.
Is the speech gonna close out the episode? I wonder.
They're calling an early session at the Senate. If she speaks, we need to be ready.
I won't be needing it.
Oh, he's the extraction team.
I'm not coming back.
Okay. He's the extraction for...
I'm done after this.
Mon. Cool. He's going to Yavin.
Done with what? With us? With all of it?
he'll know what it means.
You were a witness to the Ghorman Massacre. One would think there'd be no stopping you. The senator you'll be saving is about to risk everything, putting a voice to the atrocity you just survived. Tell her you're done.
When have I not come through? I need to start making my own decisions.
I thought that's what we were fighting for. Clean yourself up. We'll find you some clothes.
She's right there. Freedom. That's what you're fighting for. I don't think she should have smashed it, but you know, her emotions got the better of her, I think.
I need to keep looking. We have to be sure.
I need to practice the speech.
Not here. Not yet.
It's not on our end.
So it just went dead.
Nope, they found it. It didn't just go dead. Dead. Is that Luthen?
How did you know I would be here?
Erskine Samaj works for me. He wanted to tell you himself, but here we are.
All this time?
He's protected you in ways you'll never know.
Well, isn't that wonderfully cryptic?
As usual.
Well, let me guess, in the end it's only you I can trust. Is that it?
Tonight, that's true.
But from...
Is it?
Bail Organa's team is corrupted.
Which team is that?
The one that's taking you to Yavin after your speech. I don't know everything, Mon, but I know what I owe you.
You don't care about me.
You care about what she represents.
You're just terrified what'll happen if I get arrested.
You need to think clearly.
Or be careful what you ask for.
You can't leave with Bale's people. And you can't tell anyone what I've just told you.
Do you remember Take Elmer? The banker? My childhood friend.
Of course he remembers.
Another false savior.
I often think of Take Elmer. Quickly, you decided he was a risk. How quickly all that happened.
If you go with Bale's plan, you'll be in a cell before sunset.
It makes me quite a risk, doesn't it? Right now, I'm more afraid of you than anything.
I'm sending someone I trust, someone I know I can trust. You'll ask if he's alone. He will say, I have friends everywhere. I have friends everywhere. Those words.
He's protecting you. Luthen is protecting her. Unfortunately, she's scared. She has all reason to be scared. Like,
It's always a bit quiet this early, but that Senator Mothma has gone dead. Plus the driver. It seemed worth mentioning.
well, he's a good. That is worth mentioning. He's right. Good job by him.
I'm not sure I've felt this betrayed in my life, and I've had some experience. When did you start?
After the wedding, I've tried to protect you.
And you failed.
And I'm sorry you feel that way.
He didn't fail. He protected you.
You're dismissed. Immediately.
It's been an honor.
I get why she did that. Because she's betrayed. She feels betrayed, but the man did what he needed to do. You needed protecting. Sorry, but it is what it is.
I wasn't sure you'd come. Wilman?
There was someone he needed to find.
Excuse me, we have an immediate problem. Did you talk to Mothma? What are we doing?
I shouldn't have told her about Erskine.
Is she speaking or not?
She is.
She goes to Yavin and not you?
No Yavin for me. I'm not finished yet.
They're gonna find you, Luthen.
You act as if we had a choice. Eventually they'll hang us both, won't they? We set that course the first time we met.
Speak for yourself.
You see no truth in that?
He is right, Luthen. I mean, Luthen is right.
Is that what you've been doing? You appeared when I needed you. Aldani, Narkina, Ferrix, Sinar, Minarao, Ghorman.
Erskine knows the building.
Putting a lot of faith in Erskine.
Mothma knows the building.
And doesn't trust me and doesn't know him. Dale's people might be there already.
And? If she gets arrested?
You gotta go through with it.
It all comes down.
Yes, madam. Thank you.
Who are these people? They're showing us them for a reason. They are agents to kill Mothma?
Did someone call it in?
Midrim Network.
I see that, I just don't have a bay assigned for you. I have to float this morning. That's the best I can do today.
Thank you for laziness.
Senator Mothma's making a speech. When she's done, we'll escort her to the plaza where there's a ride waiting.
Oh, this is Bale's theme. So Bale's theme is working against Cassian.
If you're brave enough to stay, I should be brave enough to go. Do you trust them?
Of course.
Do you know them?
Personally, no, I can't. Next year, in Yavin.
Take care of yourself, Bale.
We do what we can. Tear the shit out of this place.
Yeah, I'm sure she will.
Have we met?
It's possible. They have friends everywhere.
Shall submit a list of our fallen Imperial patriots. Martyrs who gave everything on the brutal streets of Ghorman.
Were we not warned? Were there not voices raising the alarm about Ghorman long ago?
We too are grieving and wondering what more we...
You got this, man. You got this.
Watch the door. I'll get the blasters.
And to those who fail to see this as an emergency, I say, what will you tell your people when it is one of your citizens who have been slaughtered?
One of Supervisor Jung's agents is calling from the Senate.
Hello.
Hello.
Ah, it's her.
What are you doing? Who are you talking to?
It was work.
Show me that.
Sure.
She's gonna kill him.
To the senior senator of
Alderaan, who has a point of order to address.
I'd like to invoke Article 17-252. It specifically states that a senior senator, in the case of emergency,
may yield the floor freely, without interruption, to another senior senator. Now, Senator Carlu spoke so passionately about the Imperial martyrs from yesterday's events in Ghorman.
I am invoking Article 17-252 and yielding the floor to the senior senator from Chandrila.
Shut down the Senate feed. Imperial authority.
Fellow senators, friends, colleagues, allies, adversaries, stand before you this morning with a heavy heart.
He was with you.
This chamber,
He said to meet here.
is a cauldron of opinions.
The distance between what is said
No.
And what is known to be true has become
an abyss.
It hasn't been locked all year.
We know, we fixed it. You need the sequence key.
So let's have it.
We took it up to the security office yesterday.
Risk the loss of an objective reality.
Are they working for
the
us?
most dangerous.
Death of truth is the ultimate victory of evil. We become vulnerable to the appetite of whatever monster screams the loudest.
What happened yesterday on Ghorman was unprovoked genocide. Yes, genocide.
Oh boy.
And that group has been exiled from this jail. The monster we've helped create. The monster who will come for us all soon enough is Emperor Palpatine.
That's a brave woman.
Senator,
I can't speak right now.
I have friends everywhere.
You better trust him.
We're the last survivors of the raid on Albany. I see her in Yavin. I live there. Just keep walking. I'll be right behind you.
Very important meeting to get to. Who are you? We're here to help you.
She doesn't need
Please move ahead. Stand down, everyone! An ISB authorized arrest. Call your supervisor now. Back away!
She's a rebel spy!
Are you sure?
I've got this. Go.
He's gonna die.
I'm not sure I can do this.
You better.
Welcome to the rebellion. The loading dock. They're shutting down the building.
Damn. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Loading dock.
Mon, you know this place. You better have a secondary exit. You too, buddy.
They're at Gate 9. They've killed Young's agent.
Yeah. Okay, so a quick little note here. So I have already watched the scenes here where Mon escapes and where Cassian gets them transported to the Yavin, and I stopped when Cassian delivers the K2SO to the commander on Yavin. Okay, so what has happened is I was recording, but it stopped for some reason. And so I'm just gonna rewatch that and I will let you know. Wait, I already know where I am, but I'll just watch back and I'll get a rough idea. This is where I was when it conked out. The time code matches roughly. So if there's some blah, just realize why. Right, and yeah, let's go.
I was just making sure.
Where are they?
You have to get back to the gallery.
They're coming down here. You have to warn them.
I'll find them. Look, I'm trying, but we've got to be ready. Go to the gallery.
You just gotta trust Cassie and Luthen.
What's going on up there?
I wish I knew.
Cloret! Cloret!
What are you doing?
We found her! And who are you?
Let's go!
Give me your hand.
See, I knew Cloris was gonna get himself killed. Yep, it gets bloody. It gets violent.
Who belongs to this?
I think that's mine.
Breathe it out. Trying to save the day.
He needs a real doctor.
Oh, Will.
They want her to make a speech. They want her coming in with a Yavin escort.
They want to rewrite the story.
I'm not sure how to thank you.
Make it worth it.
That's the best thanks you can get.
Who's his nurse?
She survived the Ghorman Massacre. She'll fit right in.
She's making a speech. We need it broadcast as far as possible. It's the result that matters.
There's a dead KX unit backed up inside.
KX droid?
I think we got all the pieces.
Yes. He's like, oh, Cassian is good. Okay, so this is where I was. So let's just continue. Your boy's back.
You need to sleep.
Is that what I need?
That's like she needed to sleep a year ago.
I'm done, Biggs.
Have your tea.
I'm serious. I'm done. I'm not doing it anymore. I want to be with you.
But she wants to be here in the fight.
Why aren't you saying anything?
I'm listening.
The only special thing about me is luck. And I've overplayed my hand already.
Where's she gone though? Is she just outside looking or what? What's up?
My love. You're sleeping now. You look so peaceful.
What's she doing? What did she do?
I want to be brave, but I can't. If I was brave, I would stay and do this in person. But I know you, and you just talk me around, and I've been thinking about this too long to let that happen. It just can't be me. I can't be the reason you leave here. For me, I'd never forgive myself.
Yeah, that makes sense.
We have to win. We have to beat them.
And she needs him to stay in the
I
fight.
believe you have purpose in making that happen. I need to believe that. I'm choosing the rebellion.
The transport! Where are they? Everything is leaving went this morning!
That's gotta be heartbreaking, man.
It's done. But it's over. And we've won. We can do all the things we ever wanted.
Nope. He's
Everything
dead.
we know we've missed.
You can't.
I'll find you.
Damn.
So, it either works or it doesn't. We can tweak endlessly once it's stable. It's really just a question of whether the cortex swap is rejected or not. You may wish to take a step back.
Turn it on.
I'm not sure that's safe. Hit the switch. Very well. 1.
If I've offended you, I apologize.
If not, I'd appreciate you pointing that elsewhere.
I can bet. Okay, so that was Welcome to the Rebellion. Had some issues with the recording in the last part, but is what it is. So we wrapped up with Ghorman, and Mon Mothma is now with the rebellion on Yavin. And unfortunately, we don't get to hear Mon's speech. It is in I don't remember which show. I think it's Star Wars Rebels. I haven't actually watched it. I watched it from my own experience to see the speech just by itself. And then maybe I'll watch Rebels eventually on my own, not for this channel. Yeah, so she is now one of the leaders of the rebellion out in front. And just gonna keep this short. It's been a trying time because we started with the setting up in episode 7 where Cassian went to Ghorman and Miro was setting things up. Captain Kaido came in. Yeah, and everything around that. And then episode 8, I was in tears after that because that was basically all on Ghorman. We saw the massacre and the deaths, and it's just like what experience I had with I was watching All Quiet on the Western Front, where it's just overwhelming and all of that. So yeah. And then this episode is basically all about Ghorman, the aftermath with Mon escaping to Yavin. Young, he's one of Luther's agents, but obviously he still has to be an ISB supervisor. So one of his people was in with what's your name? The team, Bill's team, to extract Mon. Oh, obviously this is how he knows, Luther knows, because Lonnie is one of his people. And so because Lonnie put an agent there, he knows that Bale's team is compromised. Duh. I just put it together a while ago. Obviously that's why. But yeah, so Mon escapes and Yavin. And it's just so good. I don't know what I have to say right now, man. If I have any further thoughts, I'll say it in when we do the last batch, or when I'm wrapping up the entire thing. But oh, you're right, Bix leaving. On one hand, I'm glad that she survives this. On the other hand, I'm disappointed that she left. But hopefully this ensures her safety, but it just sucks that Cassian has been abandoned like that. Could she not try any other way? She had to leave. Does she know Cassian that well that she knows this is the only way to get him to stay? And then she will not see him again. Because he dies very soon. Man. Yeah. And we found out how K2SO joined the group. He is a droid from Ghorman, from the Ghorman events. Yeah, so that's cool to get that information in us. And yeah, there wasn't anything else to say, man. It's just been after episode 8. No, episode 9 was good. It's just that episode 8 and then episode 9 we had to get Mon out and Big's leaving, Cassian. You know, man, you just wow. I'll see you next time for the final batch of episodes and the end of the show. Goodbye.